Hi, my name is Des Monet. I'm the CEO of A Dash of Des Catering Company. One thing that I knew is that I wanted to start a business. I love to cook. I love to see people's reaction when they eat my food. And the thing that I lacked is the business knowledge. So I got connected with Tim the Motivator. Let me tell you, this man is amazing. He got me connected with so many clients that I would have not had on my own. He made sure to go step by step in what I needed to do, how to get my business out there, how to make sure that I follow up with these businesses. And that is an amazing thing because that means revenue for me. That means expanding my business. Also, he is one to respond very quickly. I am one that is up in the middle of the night jotting down things, ideas, recipes, things like that. And in the morning, I can just almost clockwise time when this man is going to go ahead and text me and let me know what I need to do, how I need to market to the people that will be looking for me. So if you have a business and you haven't gotten in contact with Tim the Motivator, what are you doing?